Residual current protective devices offer numerous comfortable functions. This animation gets right to the heart of a residual current operated circuit breaker. The current flows through the summation current transformer in the RCCB. In a fault-free system, the magnetic fields generated by the live conductors cancel each other out. Thus, there is no residual magnetic field to induce a voltage on the transformer's secondary winding. A fault current flowing due to an insulation fault will generate a magnetic flux in the transformer, which will in turn induce a voltage in the secondary winding. This mechanism acts upon the holding magnet relay and releases RCCB in case of limit value exceedance. You are about to be presented with an everyday situation which shows why RCCBs are so important in the context of personal protection. What you can see is a fault current generated by somebody coming into direct contact with a live component. Such currents pose a risk to personal safety from as little as 30 milliampere. The tripping range of the RCCB is between 15 and 30 milliampere. The simulation shows how the Siemens residual current operated device trips at 22 milliampere and offers effective protection against dangerous shock currents. This simulation shows how RCCBs can be used to provide fire protection. For this, the rated residual current must not exceed 300 milliampere. Our example shows an insulation fault between two cables. The applied voltage causes a current to flow across the fault location. A slight rise in the fault current is sufficient for the RCCB's tripping. This prevents the formation of fire. The second test clearly shows why residual current operated circuit breakers are so important. A fire can start when the current flowing at the fault location is just 300 milliampere or so. In this case, a miniature circuit breaker cannot protect against electrically ignited fires as it only trips at much higher currents. The insulation fault simulated here can easily lead to a smoldering fire or even a full blaze. RCCBs with a rated residual current of less than 300 milliampere could prevent this fire and consequently provide preventive fire protection.